Buying a used car can be scary. Some dealers are working really hard to hide some of their cars behind a mask of deception, distraction, and denial. They know little to nothing about the vehicle's actual history, haven't done any sort of real inspection, and of course, are not offering any sort of warranty. They just want you to notice how shiny and clean it is, and then push you to quickly buy it and take all of those hidden issues home to become your problem. But not at Autosource. Our cars, trucks, and SUVs are put through our famous 151-point inspection, come with a free 3-month, 3,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, and our vehicle history is disclosed before you buy. Inspections, warranties, transparency, all so you can relax. It's different here. Autosource. How much will you save?